Leaks are very important to take care of, just due to the leak will get bigger over time and may cause damage to things that we don't want damaged. Fixing leaks proactively will save you a lot of money in the long run and increase longevity of your plumbing system. If it's a faucet that's leaking, you can normally repair them. Sometimes you have to replace the faucet, just depends on the faucet. Under the sink leaks are really common also. Normally an angle stop or a line under there, which isn't too big of a process to fix.
Now this is going to be behind the wall, so if you actually have a leak behind the wall, then it's leaking behind it and actually creating more of a flooding situation. More water behind the wall means that there's going to be possibly more mold, and so you're going to have a possibility of, again, a health hazard. So these are kind of things that a lot of homeowners don't realize what they actually have because they can't see this type of item. All they see is just the front control knob.
If you feel uncomfortable with fixing the problem yourself or unsure, then I would call a plumber.